How to log out Pinterest account. On this video, I'm going to show you the quick and easy way to log out Pinterest account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, open Pinterest account or application on your device. Make sure you already have updated your application. If not, get back from this Pinterest app and then open Play Store or App Store depending upon your device. Once it opens, tap on the search bar at the top and search for Pinterest updates. Just type in Pinterest and select the search icon. As you can see, we already have updated to the latest version, so there is no any updates for Pinterest. If you see any update button, tap on it and update it to the latest version. Then open the app. Make sure you already have logged in or signed in to your any existing account that you want to log out. So let's select the saved or the profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now on this page, you simply need to select the small icon or the profile icon at the top left corner to access your profile feed. Scroll down and under login you will see logout button. Tap on it and then you have successfully logged out your Pinterest account. If you want to again log into your account, you can easily enter your details and log into your Pinterest account back. That's how we do it. I hope this video worked. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.